Sunsama is a daily planning app designed to help you focus on what truly matters by combining task management, calendar scheduling, and time blocking into a single workflow. The idea is to help plan your day with intention rather than just react to an endless track list. The interface is clean, as you can see, minimal, very distraction-free, making daily planning feel less overwhelming. It integrates smoothly with tools like Google Calendar, Outlook, Asana, Trello, Jira, and even email, letting you pull in tasks from multiple places. The daily planning ritual prompts you to choose realistic goals, and the built-in time tracking shows how your day actually played out. It's also cross-platform, so you can use it on desktop and mobile seamlessly. However, Sunsama is a subscription and based at around $20 per month or $192 annually, more expensive than many to-do apps. Focuses heavily on daily planning, so if you prefer long-term project tracking or Gantt charts, it may feel limited. Offline functionality is minimal, and some users wish for more customization in how tasks and projects are displayed. Sunsama excels if you want a mindful, realistic approach to structuring your workday, especially if you're juggling tasks across multiple platforms. It's not a full project management system, but as a daily focus tool, it's one of the most polished and thoughtfully designed options available. Bottom line is, if you're willing to pay for a calmer, more intentional way to plan your days, Sunsama is worth trying. But if you want deep project management features or a free option, you may want to look elsewhere.